So do you believe tax cuts pay for themselves or not?
The soundest way to raise the revenues in the long run is to cut the rates now. And the reason is that only full employment can balance the budget, and tax reduction can pave the way to that employment.
Sir, let me just finish the question. $3 trillion deficit that you're blowing in the deficit, $3 trillion that you're blowing in the deficit by extending the tax cuts.
The purpose of cutting taxes now is not to incur a budget deficit, but to achieve the more prosperous, expanding economy which can bring a budget surplus.
Why keep any of these tax cuts going?
These aren't new ideas. They're the same policies that led us into this recession. They won't create jobs. They will kill them. They won't reduce our deficit. They will add $1 trillion to our deficit.
The worst deficit comes from a recession. And if we can take the proper action in the proper time, this can be the most important step we could take to prevent another recession. That is the right kind of a tax cut, both for your family budget and the national budget, resulting from a permanent basic reform and reduction in our rate structure, a creative tax cut, creating more jobs and income, and eventually more revenue.